All right, so here's what we're going to be looking at. We're solving this rational equation. It's an equation because of the equal sign. We're going to be doing this by getting rid of these denominators. That's going to be our strategy whenever we can to get rid of the fractions and make it the kind of algebra we're used to doing. All right, now the first thing I want to do with this is to look for the least common multiple of all three of my denominators. So I'm bringing in that least common multiple. Remember the LCM from when we play with fractions. If I multiply through by just b, I'll still have a denominator here. But if I multiply through everybody by b squared, so I multiply everything in my equation by b squared, then what's left over will have no denominators. B squared divided by b squared cancels, leaving me 6b plus 18. B squared divided by b leaves me 1b. And b squared divided by b leaves me 1b again. This time it's going to be 3b. So now what I can do is just an algebra problem. I'm going to combine like terms on this side. Now the plus, don't worry about any sign changes. So that gives me 7b plus 18 is equal to 3b. Subtract that from both sides. So I'm going to subtract off that 7. That's going to give 7b. So that's going to give me 18 is equal to a negative, 4b. Divide both sides by negative 4. And I end up with negative 18/4. The last thing I'm going to want to do with this, of course, is reduce my fraction. 18 and 4 can both be divided by 2, so my final answer is going to be negative 9/2.